Can I share my screen? I'm live. Can I choose broadcast type for your stream? Cancel. Any better? Entire screen, eh? Should we do that? Yeah. So let's get into let's go Claude Code. Okay, you can see that fine. Let's kick open a new window. New window in Claude Code. Wakey, wakey. You fold up. Of course. YouTube to shut in a base file. I'm well up for people telling me that there's a smarter way of doing this. And also, I'm definitely gonna have to not screen share when I am sharing APIs, because I don't want to have to go through and generate new APIs for my services. So what I'm looking to do is to syndicate YouTube. Why am I not talking into here? Come on. Yes. Take my YouTube video and turn those into podcasts and syndicate across all listening stations that are possible via a whatever is the cheapest means, the freest means available. Be sure to include show notes and links back to manyforce.com. Did I do some work on this last night? I think I might have done. Yes, fully in the shape of the yes, that's it. Do I need to use a SaaS, or can I just build it? Create once, publish everywhere, pull source content. Yeah, maybe. That sounds good. Long form content in short stack or clips. Yeah, probably reach out. My main focus here is on distribution, not monetizing platforms. Yeah, repurpose.io. Okay. Check you out. Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. Let's see what it is. Gen AI content, I think. Nope, not quite what I need. That's not my bag. So that sounds good. Zero cost automation, wide distribution. Maybe this. Claude agents, cost host. All right. Let's go back to where we were talking. Make a comprehensive plan for how to implement this, because you're then going to go and implement it piece by piece, one step at a time. Thanks. Sometimes nice to be polite to AI. Doing its thing. It should give me a little choo-choo if it needs more input from me. Don't need you. That is cooking. So interesting listening to an interview with the creator of Claude Code, saying that pretty much his day now is spinning up Claude Code, multiple Claude Code instances, and tending to his Claude codes. That's kind of it. So right now, only got one going. Shame on me. What's going on here? Am I not sharing anymore? Ooh. Well, this is where we got to. So don't know if you can see this. Left. That's the bit that I'm building. Built that. Built that. And WordPress. Creating Medium articles is proving a little bit trickier. semi-manual process, taking an idea, fleshing it out into more of a script with a bunch of talking points that I look at, review before, not this on YouTube, but I just did my first one yesterday, but created a little talk show of around a topic of interest to me and other people, and then with that topic, turn that into audio and then syndicate that across a bunch of different places. Also turn that into a WordPress article, Medium post, create a bunch of shorts, and what we're building here, which is this bottom arrow, which is syndicate. Oh yeah. What should the podcast be called? I don't think it should be called any of those. Simple Brainer podcast name. Mayforce podcast. Yep. Podcast cover art. No, generate one. Let's see here. Channel ID. Yeah, to monitor your channel. Paste YouTube URLs into it. No, I don't want to do that. Also, can you monitor your channel RSS feed and talk about new uploads? Don't know if that helps. So that's the part of the content system that we're building out now. YouTube channel URL. Let's do that. Do that for now. Email address should be used for podcast platform registration. Cool. I'm whizzing away. Kill my screen whilst I do something here. Process. Make a payment. Kellen, spin that wheel. There we go. Oops, course tracker, financial tracker. Google. So we've got Google Workspace payment. Users. I am just adding my user. Let's see. Okay. Task screen. So I usually like to have a quick read through so I can understand what is being built. Wonder if I can do that via NA10. Ah. Okay. Okay, to detect, post extract. Future safety mail volume. Post generated collaboration notes and links. Publish episode. British English. Update feed links. Draw the RSS feed. Podcast constants, name, author categories, script. Yeah. Okay. Fill.md. Maybe reagent.env. Auto extraction. Okay, implement powers. Pillow based. Don't know what that means. What else say our podcast? Does it get pushed there? I wonder. Build the N8N workflow, pull YouTube channel RSS, blah, blah, blah. Extract audio to publish episode. Cool. We should pass this data to the next. Do I need to import N8N skills into here? Secrets. Cool. Is that doing it via Anthropic API? Does that hammer my costs? Okay. Do you want me to point you to or install the N8N skills listed on the vercelskills.sh website? Or can you do that yourself if needed? That's the first question. The second question is, if we're doing this via the Anthropic API, is that not going to hammer my costs? Is there a cheaper way of doing it? Also, can you give me an estimated cost per run of this process? So for one YouTube video to be syndicated across all these different podcast platforms, what's the approximate cost of doing that using the Anthropic API versus cost of doing that with a different method? By the way, if anybody has thoughts on this and how I can improve it, how I can improve my approach to working with Claude, then please do tell me, because I want to know. Right, so that's churning away. And skills loaded and available. Okay, cool. Let's read. Workflow patterns there. Cost analysis per episode. Show notes generation 1.5 cents. Template-based approach. Happy with that. Modal compute. 3 to 5 cents per episode. I'm happy with that. Just no. Apply GPT. Nah, just free to. What was that before? Template based. Existing Anthropic API key secret, do that. Template by default, AI only on YouTube descriptions. Ooh, that's clever. No, I'll just go straight and keep it simple. So we are on this bit. To reiterate, this is a content engine that takes a single idea as an input, which also I've got ChatG to list out. Adding to the flow. ChatGPT, list of content ideas based on research. Actually, could really do that by scanning Reddit. Yeah. Okay, do we get to same thing, blah, blah, blah. Yep. Don't need to, I think it's mostly the same. Blah, 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 blah. Yes, and then put it in bypass permissions mode, because I think, pretty sure that just toggling it like that gets it to bypass permissions. And now that we've got the plan agreed, I just wanted to build it. What I have also done that you can't see is create a .env file with a list of APIs, secret keys, and so on. So that is, and given that as a .env being the environment that Claude can look at, basically giving it the passwords to stuff to go and for it to be able to go and do the plumbing and connect things up. So yeah, that's a cool addition up there. Anyway, so this is the bit that we're building now. This is what Claude Code is building for us here. Syndication of this audio content, of this YouTube content across loads of different podcast platforms. And it's not going to be doing that with content like this, because this is a kind of watch me live setup, but it's going to be for a short, sharp talking through a specific workflow or specific idea on the one hand, and then that's this bit of the engine here, and then also for syndicating content where I either I am a guest on a podcast or I am interviewing someone else on the show, and have all of that content syndicated out. That is what we're building. So after this bit is built, I'm going to build the search for people that I want to speak to and automate outreach to either do one of two things. See if I can book with them for me to get on a call and do an interview with them, be interviewed by them, or vice versa, have them as a guest on my YouTube channel. But that is going to be probably not today. Cool if it could be. I mean, I could do that in parallel. I could do it in parallel. I want to pull that from how Cody Schneider did it. That's the best way to get that. Also conscious that my machine might melt. Let's give it a whirl. Screw it. Fold it. Oh. What's the cleanest way of doing it? Connection is unstable. I like the sound of that. Oh dear. Oh dear. Melting computer. I knew it. I knew it. Using a cloud page. Maybe for something else that'll be good for another project, but sorry. Choo choo, choo choo, choo. That means that Riverside YouTube. that you have finished running. Oh, your local disk is completely full. Oh, okay. Let's do that then. Run the deployed. The code is all written and ready. Sweet. Let me stop screen sharing. And probably get a much meatier computer at some point soon. Finder. Panasonic storage manage. Storage. Come on. Let me just find it directly. Let's manage use storage. Ooh. All right. Time to get rid of stuff. Oh, if only we could just delete some of the Mac stuff that I don't ever use. Come on, what the heck? 102 gigs of documents. I'll find movies and TV shows we've already watched. We'll definitely do that. Yeah. Don't try and make me log in. That's gonna do nothing. Still calculating. Music, photos. Oh, applications. Yikes. The bin is empty, so that's gonna do nothing as well. Ooh, documents. System data. What is that? Applications, 29 gig. Documents, 102 gig. Cripes. Right, documents it is then. Delete. Let's see. Large files, delete. Screen recordings. Okay. Downloads. Older than 1 year. Drive download. That was a few gig. 3.2 gigs. Did you delete? Can't undo it. Fine, delete it. Not downloading. Not deleting. Okay. These are kilobytes. It's going to do nothing. All right. Unsupported apps. Nothing. File browser. Okay, we're going to delete all here. Movies, pictures, downloads. Wow. Yep. 64 gigs. That's where do I store 64 gigs for cheap? That is a chunky database. Really? Unlimited storage. Bunny.net. Pay as you go. $2 per time. Free cloud storage provider. Shade. Someone shading cloud storage pricing. Google. Tech radar. Mm-hmm. Why didn't I find an answer engine? Okay, so I can go at sharing screen, I suppose. Okay, let's do that. That we're going to come back to. Oh yeah, let's ask one of the answer engines. Where can I store 100 gigabytes of data online for free in the cloud? Pre-storage 20 gigabytes. What? What? Terabox. Do that. Overall, like Terabox. GitHub. Yes, show me the approach using GitHub. It's actually a database. I think it's a set of databases that total about 65 gigabytes. That's not going to work. 5 gig hard repo limit. No, that's going to split into 60 repos, 60 files. No. Show me that. Cloudflare. No, it's not that data. It's my own data. Backblaze. Cloudflare. Show me that. Oy, why didn't that shoot you at me? If it was free, stop the others. Okay. Modal. Oh, this is something. Okay. Modal plant. No, it's 500 quid a month. 500 bucks a month. Do not want to upgrade modal. Which app can I stop to make room for the podcast app? Feb 16th. I definitely want the cold email to run. Supabase. What? This guy called Prep. Oh, is that firing? Yeah, we should chat. I'm not getting the push notifications. Oh, maybe I am. Yes, I am. Oh my gosh. That's freaking cool. Why don't I get the push notifications? Smart lead reply is on the Disco called Prep. Content pipeline. Can I stop apps? Choo choo, maybe that. cold email reply. AI domination. Not using that. Stop that. How do I stop it? Is that it? Stop up. Should voice keep alive. Ew. There's probably another way to run a cron job, is there, from NA10? Yeah, I've got two of the same jobs going there, so let's stop that. Confirm. I've stopped a couple manually, so carry on. Where were we? Let's do that. Podcast guest outreach. Yeah, Cody Schneider. Yeah, cleaning disk. Let's sign up. What? Why? Come on. Fine. I'll do it with a password. Screen sharing. Sign in. Forgot password. Just trying to log into Cloudflare. Send me a code. Cloudflare. There we go. So I can upload a bunch of data, get it off my machine, clear my machine, have my machine run faster, and and make sure there's enough space on my machine so it can actually, so that Claude Code can do stuff. Round and round we go, the merry-go-round. Come on, log in. Storage, please. Build storage. R2 object storage. Oh, come on. $10 a month. Nope. Includes free monthly storage. No, I don't want that. I want Come on. Make everything go faster. Mega, maybe. Come on, laptop. Storage box from Hetzner. Oh yeah. Maybe just on hosting it. Finance Proton Drive Cooper. Phylon. Proton unlimited cloud storage. Cloud storage. Cloud storage. Oh, I don't want to demo. Shade demo. Back to home page. Shade, Bunny, Cloudflare, Proton, Phylon. Come on. Someone give me something. 100 million accounts around the world. All right. Nope. Not that much data. Sure. So you can see, looking at this kind of jazz. Fine. Why do I need Phylon? Turn your cloud into a local drive. Oh, that's great. But tell me how much. Oh, yes, that'll do me. Proton is too much. Shade. Oh, that's media files ready. Pricing. Is that pricing? Nope. Too much. Too much. That's annual. 500 gigs. That's for media. Not my use case. Okay. Let's go in. Upload files, export master keys. Please export your master keys. So, okay. Export master keys. Export. Right, Phylon. Upload. Ka-chow. All right. 60 gigs. Get in the cloud. Queued. Error. Ha. Great. Must have some storage somewhere else. Oopsie. Storage. That would free up a lot of space. I gotta get rid of it. Nope, can't do that. 10 gigs. Can I upload 10 gigs? Can I drag and drop 10 gigs? Ooh. Right. Slow and steady. That's what's going on. Right. Kill the live stream.